Hi guys, okay, so we are going to go into a new topic, haloalkane. So for haloalkane, the mark allocation is 7 marks, so more than alkene. So bolehlah fokus on haloalkane juga. Okay, so haloalkane dia ada a few names, either halogenoalkanes or alkyl halides. So itu adalah benda yang sama lah. So we're going to look at the normal things ini, nomenclature. Then special thing about haloalkane is that it has a polar bond. We'll see that. And this is the nucleophilic substitution yang sangat penting. So you have to know macam mana the nucleophilic substitution tu. And it has two mechanisms. So awak either go SN1 atau SN2 depending on a few factors lah. Okay, so ini blah blah blah. So elimination reaction ni awak dah belajar dalam alkenes, okay, or preparation of alkenes. Saya tulis sini. So ini awak just tengok balik kat alkenes tu lah, benda sama je. Then synthesis of Grignard reagent. So basically you're going to make this Grignard reagent and you're going to use that to prepare alkanes, alcohols and carboxylic acid. Alright, bismillah. Okay, so introduction to haloalkanes. Okay, so haloalkanes, it is basically made up of an alkyl group atau aryl group R then attached to a halogen. Okay, so it has a polar bond. Okay, because of the difference in electronegativity between this carbon dengan this halogen. Okay, so we're going to know how to learn how to classify them. It's basically the same as carbocations. So this is a methyl halide because this is a methyl group attached to your halogen. This is primary because it has one alkyl group. This is secondary because it has two, and this one is tertiary because it has three. So sama je cara awak classify haloalkanes. The same, sama konsep lah. Okay, dengan carbocation. Okay, so this one is an aryl halide because ni awak panggil aryl, this benzene ring. Okay, directly attached to your halogen. So tu aryl halide. This is not an aryl halide, okay, because it is not directly attached to your halogen. Halogen ni not directly attached to your benzene ring. So it has this hydrocarbon chain tu. Okay, so ini bukan haloalkane lah. Okay, so you can refer to the table of functional group priorities for nomenclature. So boleh tengok dekat notes yang nanti saya upload PowerPoint. Then note also that haloalkane, it does not act as a parent chain but it acts as a substituent. Unlike alkenes boleh akan jadi parent chain because it has a higher priority. Tapi haloalkane dia macam alkane je juga. Okay, dia bukan jadi, haloalkane dia tak jadi parent, dia akan act as substituent. Okay, so dia tak adalah in ke dia jadi substituent yang kat depan tu. Okay, so we're going to look, kita tengok sikit dekat naming ni. Okay, so naming step 1 macam alkane je, awak tengok parent chain mana paling panjang and then awak circle your substituent. So macam mana numbering pula, kita akan start dari kanan ke kiri. Okay, beza dia bila kita ada F, kita guna fluoro, Cl, chloro, bromine, bromo, iodine, iodo. Okay, so name macam biasa je. So contohnya ini, awak first cari the longest carbon chain. So this is a pentane. Alright, lepas tu awak circle the substituents. Ni awak ada 2 methyl groups, so dia akan jadi dimethyl. Ni bukannya substituent, ini substituent. So kita akan kira dari mana? Kita akan kira dari sini because kita nak the smallest number for your locants. So ini akan jadi 1, 2. So ini jadi 2, 3, 4. Ini jadi 4. Ini 5. Kan? So awak ada 2 to 4. Kalau awak kira dari sini, dia akan jadi 2, 4, 4. Betul tak? So sebab tu kita kira dari sini. Okay, so the name is 2-iodo 2,4-dimethyl pentane. Alright. Okay, contoh here we have alkene, kan? So, kita cari the longest carbon chain. So, your parent chain will be an alkene. Dia akan jadi butene. Okay, so the priority will go to the carbon double bond first. Okay, so ini akan jadi 1, carbon number 1. This will be carbon number 2. This one will be carbon number 3, carbon number 4. Okay, so dia akan jadi ni bromo dengan metal. So B comes first, so you have to write 3 bromo, and then baru your metal, 3 metal. 1 because your alkene carbon double bond start dekat carbon number 1, butene. Alright, so yang lainnya awak boleh tengoklah sendiri. Okay, tengok. Okay, so the chemical properties of haloalkanes. So first of all, we are going to look here. Our haloalkane, it has a polar bond. Why? Because X is more electronegative than carbon. So therefore kita akan ada this delta minus dengan delta plus sign. Maksudnya electronegativity lebih besar, lebih tinggi dekat X. Okay, so dia hold lebih banyak elektron. So that makes this carbon, okay, your electrophilic site, sebab dia hold this partially positive site. Okay, so maksudnya dia akan lebih senang untuk kena attack dengan nucleophile, more susceptible to nucleophilic attack. So nucleophile akan sukalah nak attack dia. Okay, bukannya attack di sini, sebab sini banyak elektron, dah ada repulsion. Dia ni electrophilic site, suka elektron. So kita akan attack dia nanti. Okay, so the types of reactions that we will have for your haloalkane, there are a few. Okay, nucleophilic substitution. Okay, awak ada SN1 dengan SN2 mechanism. Okay, and these are the reactions that can occur for nucleophilic substitution. And then you have elimination reaction. Okay, maksudnya buang awak punya halogen dengan hydrogen dengan halogen, minus HX. Lepas tu dapat alkene lah. Ni awak dah belajar. Saya cakap tadi awak dah belajar. Okay, so kita akan fokus dekat sini, SN1 dan SN2 mechanism ni. How does it look like? Macam ni kita nak tahu kita punya haloalkane undergo SN1 atau SN2. Kita akan tengok. Okay, okay, so our haloalkane juga, okay, kita boleh guna haloalkane untuk buat Grignard reagent, synthesis of Grignard. Synthesis tu maksudnya awak buat Grignard reagent. Kenapa kita nak buat Grignard reagent ni? Because this Grignard reagent is very useful, okay, for us to form alkanes, alcohol and carboxylic acid. Okay, so kita boleh guna Grignard reagent ni untuk buat these molecules. And one more thing about Grignard reagent, it is useful for you to make longer carbon chains. Okay, sebab awak boleh attach awak punya alkyl group. Awak buat Grignard reagent yang nampak macam ni. Okay, so ikut awak lah kat sini awak nak buat ada isopropyl ke apa ke. So maksudnya awak boleh tambah banyak carbon lah dekat awak punya produk nanti. Okay, if you want to do that. Okay, so we're going to look at SN1, SN2 mechanism tu. Okay, what does it mean? What is nucleophilic substitution? So nucleophilic substitution, okay, maksudnya your nucleophile will replace your halogen in your haloalkane. Okay, that means that your X ni, awak punya halogen will be a leaving group. Dia akan leave. Dia ni akan masuk. Alright. Maka siapa? Ish. Macam ni ni. Dia boleh tak nak senyap. Okay. Crying. Sorry guys. Okay, ada bunyi. Okay, alright, so kita ada SN1 dengan SN2 mechanism. Okay, So what's going to happen? So you have your haloalkane and then your carbon. Okay, contoh carbon here dengan let's say ada group lain, R group ke, dia possess a positive, partially positive, okay, awak punya carbon ni. So dia akan kena attack dengan nucleophile, okay. Lepas tu ini awak punya halogen will leave, okay. Dia jadi living group. So nucleophile pun masuk. So awak akan dapat awak punya produk dengan ni awak punya living group. Okay. So there are two types of nucleophilic substitution reaction. You have SN1 dengan SN2 reaction. So SN1, okay, S ni maksudnya substitution. N tu nucleophilic. So SN is nucleophilic substitution. Okay. So 1 maksudnya it is unimolecular. Okay, unimolecular tu apa? Satu molekul. Apa yang satu molekulnya? Kita tengok lepas ni. SN2 is bimolecular, denoted by these two, nucleophilic substitution. Okay, so nama dia macam tu. So bila dia tanya name of reaction untuk haloalkane, okay, awak either akan bagi dalam bentuk simbol macam ni. So make sure awak tulis S besar and subscript ni dengan 1. Okay, atau awak tulis full ayat. Kalau awak punya tulisan tu kalau awak tulis macam ni salah. Kalau awak tulis macam ni salah. Kalau awak tulis macam ni salah. Okay, macam ni saya dah tunjuk dah salah. Okay, so make sure kalau awak nak tulis simbol, tulis betul-betul macam tu. Kalau tak, tulis full macam ni. Okay, kalau tak, tulis simbol betul-betul. Okay, kalau tak, tulis full. Okay.